So this is the Bat City Scaregrounds photo op. This thing is super awesome. I mean, check this tree out. Some gore. We got eyeballs everywhere on here. We got a bloody dead elf. Hello, tree topper. Who doesn't want that cool, gory tree? And we got our stockings completely filled with gore. We got a charred bat skeleton, head in a cage. I mean, come on, how cool. And some bloody presents. Everybody needs, for sure. Krampus is getting ready for the Krampus parade. Very cool. Hi. All right, this is before we're opening. We got Dead Dave Designs. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a full walkthrough. No crowd in here yet. We got Blackened Art. They've got a lot of really cool stuff. Look at this, got a dartboard coffin, coffin shelving, every horror themed coffin shelving you can imagine. Small ones, little license plates, those are cool. Really nice, little mini cornhole boards. Very cool, I like it. And then they've got these cool wooden wall decors. Obviously I love the Sam one, so for sure. Oh, this is neat. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty cool. Some pretty cool stuff he's got going on there. Art. I mean, obviously the giant jackalope. Freaking cool. Crazy cool. We got some more art. Oh, he's got a cool Krampus hat right there. Or Krampus shirt right there. Laughing Skull. I didn't check these guys out yesterday. I'm trying to come over here, but they were super busy. ATX Effects. I'm gonna come back and do a closer thing on his booth. This is the main stage where you can get pictures with Santa, and then they were doing oddities, shows, and really cool stuff up here. They're gonna have the Krampus parade later today, which would be super awesome. We've got special guest entrance here. Here's our People Waits 5. Gotta make sure you buy all their stuff. They make everything possible in a coffin shape. We actually have, not this, but something similar to this for our cats. What's going on? You guys getting set up?
Yeah.
Let's try to do a quick walk around video real fast. But a lot of people aren't open.
We're not smart enough.
Oh, you're smart. What you talking about? Gotta come over here. Oh, they got some cool stuff. Ooh, I like that Krampus sweater there and that t-shirt. Ooh, I like it. I didn't come check these guys out here later on.
I don't know where this is.
Devilish Creations. I think these are like chain purses, stuff like that. But tons to see. People eating tacos. Aisle here. Check out Von Blackstone Designs. They have really awesome stuff. Definitely check out S&J Haunted Productions. They have really, really awesome stuff. And the cute redhead right there. Julie likes this booth. I'm gonna come talk to him about that sign later. We got Voodoo's art. We got Factorum Monstrum, a really good friend of ours. Try to film his booth later today. Super awesome stuff. We got House of Torment. How's it going? House of Torment over here with this cool photo op. I think there's a Gore Galore prop there. Hey, how's it going? We got Brutal Branding. They do really cool heavy metal shirts with funny sayings, which is hilarious. So like this is unlimited breadsticks is what it says. I mean, hello, that's hilarious. This one, you're on mute. Freaking awesome. Totally funny. How's it going? How's it going? Need to come check these guys out. Oh, they got lots of, oh, I think that's where Julie saw that earlier today. They got, oh, that's some big bugs. That is freaking awesome. That's really cool. I like that. They got lots of bugs, lots of oddities. Man, I don't even think I came over here at all yesterday. We got Dark Earth Designs. Nothing lives here. Good morning. Very cool. The Dark Craft. We got everybody getting ready before they open the doors. I really need to check out Pallbearer Press because they have a supposedly they have a really cool, super awesome location that is really cool and horror themed. We got the Black Throne right here, which is our partner in crime inside the Velvet Casket. So definitely come check his stuff out. I might actually get this dude right here. But he's got lots of awesome stuff. And Never Ending Stickers, another good friend. They've got lots of really fun stuff. I literally want to buy all of their trick-or-treat stuff. I mean, they have like this in like every format possible. Stickers, magnets, mugs, frames. Like, I want to own all of it. For sure. And then there's a silent auction over there. They're doing story time here. Yesterday they did like a Necronomicon story, reading story time for kids. And V is for Voodoo. Bloody Rose. And that is the full walkthrough. Food over here, they have a bar, food over there. Silent auction, super cool. And yeah, there you go.
Right now, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Yeah.
Free photo ops, not when they're closed.
Hush you.